Hi. So on today's episode of Catasticness, we're going to talk about why we say I love you to Mom, and which is cuter, kittens or birds.
Alright, cool. Alright. I'll see it. Bye.
You're the only person I know that does not say I love you to their mom on the phone when they get off the phone with them. Do you say I love you to your mom? I say I love you to both my moms, okay?
What?
My dad is half and half.
Yeah,
That's because that's my dad.
She knows what I mean when I say peace out, yo homie. It's the same thing. It's the same thing, right?
Like, my mom, if my mom, like, doesn't say I love you to me and then just hangs up on me, I cry.
You, I don't.
Me too.
I don't know.
My life is over.
No, when she does that, I will call her back and I would be like, Mom, and she goes, what? And I go, you didn't say I love you.
Like me and my dad, like, it's like awkward if he's like, I love you, I guess. Like, I got you, dude.
That's kind of how it is between me and my dad too, though. I'm like, all right, Dad, yeah. And he'll be like, love you, and I'm like, bye. Like,
Kittens are cute and fuzzy.
Hey.
okay.
He's like, what is going on? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Don't bite me.
Like, oh, lick it.
But I like it when a bird talks back. Sadly, though, this bird didn't really talk. But it made kissy noises. That was just adorable as fuck.
This is kind of cool. You're so cute.
Holding like a little baby. That's why the reason he wants to stay there.
This is cute. I let go. He starts freaking out. Kisses.
Aww. News, I watched the roast of Charlie Sheen. That was pretty awesome. They had Mike Tyson, Steve-O, William Shatner, a couple other people. I didn't really know some of them, but I guess they're not that important for me to know anyway. Some of them I did know from, like, previous roasts, but I don't remember their name either. And there was another guy that talked really, really slow. Like, he paused between words. Like, it was an amazing thing that he was speaking. He could have been having, like, a big O after every word because he thinks his voice is just that erratic.
This light is very bright. My insomnia's caught up with me again. And I haven't been able to post any videos on YouTube because I suck at making my own music. I mean, I suck bad. I'll get it. I got some stuff planned for my future videos here coming up. On top of that, I got a big move coming up too. Okay, so it's not really that big of a move, but for me, it's a big freaking deal. And I'm hoping everything works out and I'll be a lot happier. It should be amazing. But I gotta work in the morning, so this is short. There you go.
This one's a good name for a song. Mm-hmm.
Do not hit the eyebrow ring.
I think he stared at it.
Okay, he sees the ring.
Come on, baby. Step up. Step up. That's a good boy. I got you. You love it. You love flapping them wings.